In terms of ways, our teams of experts show which down the troops.
Self-serve beer is cool. We're happy to be the first team to do this with our partners at Delaware North Sports Service. And really we did this so fans can customize their own experience. You can get anywhere from 1 ounce of beer to 24 ounces of beer in a serving. So for those people that The process is pretty smooth. Just like any other bar, you have to show your ID to someone who's manually checking that and making sure you're of age and not intoxicated. Then you get a what's essentially a debit card that you can exchange for beer.
Well, right now there's no line, so essentially you just go up and self-serve, so no waiting in line. It's that easy.
Well, they had a variety of different kinds of beer, and it's kind of nice that you get to decide how much you want to pour and when you want to pour it. You know, if you want to top it off a little, you just get another cup and pour a little more in and head to your seat, so you have a lot of options. It's really nice.